What a loss for Perreault, just really fitting in well in this lineup.
Robidas hurt.
Yeah.
Got hit hard, and he's crouched down behind the net, and now he's getting up and heading for the bench.
We mentioned how aggressive this Winnipeg Jets team can be. They average 6'2". They're big and physical. And this one here, Robidas went down right away. Peluso got him, threw him into the boards, and it looked like his arm. Oh boy, you can hear the sound, and there was immediate reaction. And that's not looking good as Robidas has gone back to the room.